Everyone, welcome back to the hat challenge. Just gonna pick out 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what we got. Alright, I must use green. Not even in. Okay. Must use 5 colors. Okay, I must use ink. Must create off of quote. Oh, I dropped it. 5 colors, okay. And I can't use canvas. So ink, no canvas, 5 colors, must use green in those 5 colors, and based off of a quote. So, looks like we are moving away from the table and we're heading to the desk today. I will meet you guys there. Got everything set up. Still trying to figure out what I want to do because this kind of threw me off. I was excited, and then it tells me no canvas, must use ink. I have to base it off a quote. Okay. Okay, so the quote part is going to stump me. I have to base it off a quote. That's always hard, you know. It's always hard basing something off of a quote, or making it thematic, or basing it off a song. And this is the reason I added these to the challenge, because I knew it was going to stump me up at least. And it is one of those things where you're like, well, how do you do a song or a quote or anything like that justice? You know, quote, 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 quote. The only quote coming to mind right now is from Marie Corangi. I can't even say the last name, and I'm Italian. Life and death, energy and peace. If I stopped today, it was fun. Even the pains that have burned me and scarred my soul, it was worth it. For having been allowed to walk where I've walked, which is the hell on earth, heaven on earth, back again. Into, under, far in between, through it, in it, and above. So that's the only quote right now coming to mind. It's all about just living life and enjoying the life that we are given. Now, to draw something using ink with 5 colors, one of them has to be green. Oh, it's gonna stop me. Give me a moment. I'm gonna be back and figure something out. Alright. Alright, when all else fails, let's jump into the 1,000 Paths to whatever series. I have more in the other room, but I think I am wanting to do Personal Power. Let's take a look at quotes from Personal Power and see what we can create from there. Alright. Okay. 1,000 Paths to Personal Power. Let's find a quote. I've nothing to say, and I'm saying it, and that's poetry. Genius is the ability to reduce the complicated to the simple. Well, there's that. My young friends keep me jolly, and my old ones keep me warm. That's adorable. So many quotes out there. 10,000 of them, right? Here we go. Learn to bloom where you are planted. I actually really like that. Meaning, live life to the fullest no matter where you are. That's something to think about for all of you, is bloom where you are planted. Be the best you can be wherever you end up in life. Would it be too cliche to do a flower? Help. So, quote, check. Ink, check. Not using canvas, check. So what 5 colors and what direction? Since hostas and fern don't really have flowers, and passion flower does, and it does bloom for me throughout the year, in a bathroom, mind you. It is blooming where it is. I'm just going to jump right in and start throwing shapes and colors onto I was going to say canvas, onto the sketch pad. Is that 5 colors? Purples, pinks, golds, I'm counting all those as golds, greens, blues, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up in the corner, I'm probably going to add, or down in the corner here, I'll add a passion flower for you guys to reference. Let's move these all to the side and get started. I'm going to throw this into a time lapse so this doesn't take another 20 years getting to that point. So I'll see you guys at the end. Alright everyone, so there we go. I decided to change it up a bit. I was going to do like a giant passion flower outside and a little one and everything else, but then I was like, learn to bloom where you were planted. And seeing as a passion flower vine growing in the desert, it's very, very rare since there's not a lot of humidity, not a lot of moisture, so just thought I would go with that route. But let me know what you guys think. Definitely a different challenge video for me. So be warned guys, there is that inside the list, the must use ink, which I thought about halfway through this. I could have done the resin and added ink to that, and instead of canvas I could have used board, but seeing as I'm low on resin, I decided no, I'm pretty happy with going with the ink route this way. So here you guys are. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, you guys have a great night. Bye.